Don't forget to check your refrigerator water filters. This particular filter was being used to filter out water for a furnace humidifier, not for drinking or for ice. But the water flow was down to a drip, so I decided to pull the filter off. Don't know how long it's been on there. And I cut it in half, and you can see, look at that mud in there. And that's all water that's purified from the city. They charge us a small fortune for it. And they claim you can drink that. Fortunately, this was not for drinking. It was being used for a furnace humidifier. But you might want to check your refrigerator filters or replace them when needed. I'm not sure what the intervals are. Probably on a refrigerator, probably every 3 to 6 months. I have no idea how long this one was on here.